A washer and dryer combo, being very unique in that they can actually wash and dry, the Samsung version will actually do both within 98 minutes. People are buying these machines as a lot of busy families, single people would like to be able to throw a load of laundry and have it both wash and dry and be completed when they return home. In the past, you had two machines stacked on top and the dryer controls were very high, especially for shorter people. In Samsung's case, they actually first created a washer that can control a dryer. They've now created the laundry hub, which actually has both controls in the middle and is really the type of machine sold now for all stacked applications. The biggest thing that customers are looking for with new technology, including the Family Hub, is what usefulness it will have for them and their family. The Family Hub by Samsung is actually used to control other devices in Samsung's group. They actually have an app called Smart Things that works together with that. You can mirror a Samsung TV on the Smart Hub screen. AI is now used so that it will recognize different foods being put in and taken out of the fridge. And it can also control other devices and appliances in your home. You could check your laundry to see how much time's left. So we're trying to explain to customers where the technology is useful to them. Absolutely. We have seen a shift away from external dispensers due to energy use standards and other reasons. We're seeing the water and ice moving to the inside and not through the door anymore. Samsung has actually created a new system called the Beverage Center where the water and ice is on the inside of the refrigerator, and then also have two different types of ice in the freezer compartment. So you can reach in and grab regular ice, or you can actually get the new chip ice out of the same compartment. What we're finding with AI is that it actually has different benefits on different appliances, but it is making a positive benefit. So with laundry, it can actually monitor your fabric types, make sure your clothes are getting washed and dried correctly. With a refrigerator, it can actually inventory the foods that you're putting in and taking out. In a stove, it can actually recognize foods and then cook it correctly. So there is a lot of benefits to AI. The three things most customers are looking for in induction: one is the style of the range and how it's going to fit into their kitchen. Number two is the burner layout and how that's going to work with their pots and pans. And then the third is the durability potentially of the surface. Now, Samsung's created a new anti-scratch surface that is far more durable than other surfaces in the market and has now incorporated AI technology and an in-oven camera to give them more usefulness in their induction range. Traditionally, refrigerators create the cold air in the freezer compartment and then use it to chill the fridge. The downside is you're using cold, dry air to cool a refrigeration compartment, resulting typically in leafy vegetables drying out, items freezing, and that. Samsung created their twin cooling and their triple cooling, which uses a single compressor but multiple evaporators to eliminate this problem. Also in the triple cooling, being able to change a compartment from fridge to freezer and actually get better refrigeration performance.